Digital Media House.
Organization is essential in HTML coding, especially when building large websites that can have hundreds of pages and thousands of lines of code. HTML provides a comment tag to help developers communicate or remember the purpose of different code sections. This comes in handy when working as a team or even when revisiting a project at a later time. The HTML comment tag is written differently from other HTML tags. Its start tag begins with an open angle bracket, followed by an exclamation mark and two single hyphens. The end tag is similar, except inverted and without the exclamation mark. Place the information you want to use as a comment between the tags. This information can be viewed in the source code but will not be rendered on the page. Comments are great for notating what each code section is used for and allow a developer to temporarily hide areas of a web page.